Hello and welcome. We're really excited today to talk about our product, the vinyl film Bodaq. We will be showcasing it at the Convention Center in Las Vegas at the Hospitality and Design Expo from May 2nd to May 4th. This will be at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. We're especially excited to showcase the product for the hospitality industry and meet professionals there to talk about the product. For those that are not familiar with our product, the self-adhesive vinyl film, it can be applied to many surfaces, anything from millwork, walls, furniture, doors, and many more surfaces. So come and find us at booth 3965. We will be showcasing the product and applying it to different surfaces where you can understand how it can be used and the versatility of this great product. So thank you, and we'll see you in Vegas.